In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a simple sales pipeline board from scratch. This is perfect if you want a clear view of your work, your leads, and where everything stands at a glance. Start by heading into your workspace. This is the home base where all your boards live. Look for the option to create a new board. It's usually easy to spot, often labeled Create New Board or something similar. Click that, and you'll be asked to give your board a title. Choose something descriptive and easy to find later, like Sales Pipeline, Client Workflow, or Lead Tracker. A clear name helps you and your team instantly understand the board's purpose. Once you're happy with the title, click Create to open your brand new board. Now let's set up the list that will form your pipeline. Take the first list and rename it to New Leads. This is where every new contact, inquiry, or prospect should start. Keep it tidy by using short, consistent card titles so you can scan quickly. Next, rename the second list to In Progress. This is your active work zone, the place for leads you're currently engaging with, calling, emailing, or qualifying. Rename the third list to Closed Deals. This is your win column. When a deal is complete, move the card here to track your successes and keep a record of what's been finished. To make sure nothing slips through the cracks, click to add another list and name it Follow Up. Use this for leads that aren't ready yet or need a reminder later. Separating follow-ups keeps your active list clean while still keeping those opportunities visible. With your structure in place, create your first card by clicking the plus sign on a list. Add a clear, meaningful title, something like the company name and a short note. You can include more details inside the card later if needed, but start simple so you can get moving. Once the card is created, you can drag it to the right list as its status changes. For example, move it from New Leads to In Progress when you start working on it, and then to Close Deals when it's done. If you need to review details, click the card to check it and make sure everything looks right. That's it. A clean, easy board that maps your work from start to finish. Keep titles consistent, move cards as status changes, and use follow-up to stay organized. With this setup, your workflow will stay clear, focused,